Hey guys, today we are going to do page 121 in our Think Up math book. So go ahead and get your workbook, pause the video if you don't have your book with you yet. Okay, so starting on page 121, let's read through this situation. Mia has 4 cookies. Each cookie has the same number of chocolate chips. Mia writes 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 to find the total number of chocolate chips in the cookies. Which picture shows the cookies? Okay, so she has 4 cookies, so I'm going to draw out my picture. That's going to be my strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of those cookies has 5 chocolate chips, so I need to draw 5 chocolate chips on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking for 4 cookies with 5 chocolate chips. A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies with 3 chocolate chips. That's not correct. B has 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies, but 1, 2, 3, 4 chocolate chips each. That's not correct. C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies with 5 chocolate chips each. That's not correct. I hope D is. 1, 2, 3, 4 cookies with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolate chips. There it is. And if we wanted to know how many chocolate chips there were in all, we could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20 chocolate chips. But they just want you to model what that would look like. Okay, number 2, Wallace places erasers into equal boxes. He writes 10 plus 10 to show the number of erasers, which describes the erasers. 10 plus 10. Does that mean that there are 10 boxes of 20 erasers? Well, if we do 10 plus 10, we know that equals 20. This shows how many erasers are in each box. So it can't be 10 boxes of 20. That would be a lot more. That would be 10 times 20. Is it 2 boxes of 20 erasers? Well, if we have 2 boxes of 20 erasers, that would be 20, 40. That's too many. 10 boxes of 10, once again, that's way too many. 2 boxes of 10 erasers. 10 boxes of 10 would be 100. 10 boxes of 20 would be 200. Okay, let's try D. 1, 2. 2 boxes of 10. Yeah, 10 plus 10. That's like our repeated addition up here. So 2 boxes of 10, or 2 times 10 equals 20. So it is D. Let's look at number 3. Complete the blanks to show the number of flowers. Okay, so how many rows do we have? 1, 2. So that's 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 rows of 4 flowers. Now, if it was asking us the total, that would be 2 times 4, which would be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Number 4, study the buttons on the phone. Here's our phone, which does not, there's that not word, underline it, because you got to make sure you know what the question's asking you, which does not describe the number of buttons on the phone. Okay, do not let the numbers on here trick you up. If that bothers you, just color them out. Just think of the number of buttons. Okay, so how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. And there are 1, 2, 3 columns. So we have an array that is a 4 by 3. 4 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 4. 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. Okay, 4 times 3? Yes, that describes it. So we can't have that as an answer because we're looking for not. 3 plus 3 plus 3, let's see, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yep, there's that repeated addition. It's not that one. Is it 4 rows of 3 buttons? It sure is. Or is it 3 rows of 3 buttons? It is not 3 rows. So our answer choice is D because we were looking for not. Okay, number 5. Mr. Wagner has 3 shirts. Each shirt has 4 buttons. Draw the buttons on Mr. Wagner's shirts. Now, something that I want to talk to y'all about. When you have these word problems, I've noticed some of my friends, you read this and you skip down here and do the answer. There's part of the question right there. It's telling you draw the buttons. So you need to make sure you draw the buttons. Don't skip sentences and skip down to the where you think the answer needs to go, because sometimes it's a multi-answer question. It has more than one, not more than one answer, but more than one question within the question, okay? So draw the buttons on Mr. Wagner's shirt, okay? 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete the number sentences to find the total number of buttons. So 4, so this would be 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals blank buttons. Okay, so you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or you can count 4, 8, 12. So 12 buttons. Now, it says write a multiplication number sentence to show the number of buttons. Well, there's 4. How many times? 3 times. Or 3 times 4. I will count either way because it ends up being 12 buttons. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, make sure your name is at the top because you're going to tear this one out after you do the back side on your own. Page 1.